Holo makes everything better. Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we will do some gradient floral nail art. First of all, let's see the products I will be using in this nail art. So I'm gonna use this UNT Peel of base coat as usual, this Nykaa nail polish, this Diva Cuticle mask, and then for gradient I'm using the same nail polish, and then this Lavender crush and this Lilac kisses, I think that's what it's called. I will also be using this Debelle Holo top coat, this stamping plate, white MDU stamping polish, and this stamper from Nicole Diary. Other than that, we will need a cleanup brush and some top coat. So I'm starting off with the peel of base coat, and then I'm applying one coat of the first nail polish. I think it's the Carefree Cosmos, I think. Then we will apply some liquid latex because we will do gradients later. For the gradient, I'm applying all three nail polishes, just a little bit overlapping, and then just dab it on until it looks right. So it took me about, I think, 2 coats or 3 coats. And we still haven't found my tweezers. So do some cleanup after that, and a base is ready to go. Then I have applied this Holo top coat. You could stop here, but then again I have to stamp over anything and everything. So I'm stamping these flowers, and yeah, and I'm also stamping these one on my ring finger. I actually stamped something over all my nails, so yeah, I'm just showing you 2 of them. And to top it all off, you guys will need a glossy top coat. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you guys can watch more here, or you guys can subscribe here if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.